In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get CD of album on Distrokid. By the end, you'll know exactly how to collect your original audio, artwork, track list, and credits from your Distrokid account so you can create CDs, back up your music, or upload your songs elsewhere with confidence. First, sign into your Distrokid account. Head to the site, log in securely, and once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. You should see your releases listed there. Click the album or single you want to work with, and that will open the release page where all the key details live. Now, let's talk audio files. Distrokid typically doesn't offer a simple download the exact wave I uploaded button for most users. That means your best source is the original masters you already have. Grab the wave or high-quality files from your computer, or export them again from your DAW or AI tool, like FL Studio, Ableton Live, or Suno. If you can't find them, check your downloads folder, your cloud backups, or your DAW's project export folder. Aim to use the highest quality versions you have. For CD preparation, stick to full resolution masters rather than compressed MP3s whenever possible. Next, save your cover artwork. On your release page, right-click the cover image and save it, or use the original artwork file you uploaded. For best results on a CD package, keep it in JPG or PNG at a high resolution. A 3000 by 3000 pixel square is a solid standard that prints cleanly and looks professional. Make sure the art is crisp, properly cropped, and free of unintended borders. Then capture your track list exactly as it appears. From the release page, write down every song title in order, including any featured artists. Track order really matters for CDs because it determines how the album will play from start to finish. Preserve capitalization, punctuation, and spelling to keep your metadata consistent across platforms. Finally, gather your credits and legal details. You'll need songwriter names, producer names, any featured artists, and your copyright information. Most of this can be found on your Distrokid release page, in your original upload information, or in your project and session notes. Keep everything together in a simple text document so you can copy and paste it accurately wherever you need it. That's it. With your masters, artwork, track list, and credits neatly organized, you're ready to create CDs, keep a reliable archive, or distribute your music elsewhere smoothly. Save these assets in a clearly labeled folder for each release, and you'll thank yourself later.